Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize or edit the video overlay settings for your game recordings or in-game recordings on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to the Metal TV app, log into your account and click into the game settings button in the bottom left. Now, to customize the video overlays, if you want to use it of course while recording your games, you may do that by navigating to video overlays here on the left hand side. So what you want to do first, guys, is make sure that you enable it here to the right. And then scroll down, you will see the video overlay preview and you can customize the position of it, right? So for example, if you want to see it like that, here you can, for example, click into that drop-down menu, select none, and instead use another position for the video overlay during your recordings, right? So if you want to see it in the bottom right, let's say, for example, click into the drop-down menu and choose the overlay type, like for example the keyboard and the mouse or the arrow keys and the mouse and so on and so forth. I will go with this option here and it would look like that during your or while you're recording your game. And that's basically it, guys. So you can also enable the virtual camera here in addition to that, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.